Not fun.
I think.
Today, we're going to be all together. But usually we do it by age, but if you ask, like if the kids ask.
Okay. All right. Thank you. I want that T-shirt. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Bye. Have a good day.
How are you?
Okay.
So much.
Over here. Are you nervous, buddy?
There they are.
Daddy, come here.
Yeah, hi. How are you?
Good.
How was everything?
I made that.
Yeah? Oh, yeah? Cool.
That's cool.
Everyone made.
Yeah? Did you have fun? Did you have fun?
혼자 테레치다.
Oh, yeah? Did you get sad at all?
No.
No? Were you with Tyler the whole time? Yeah? Did you follow directions?
Sort of.
Sort of. Do you think it was because he didn't understand or because it's just him?
I don't know.
Did he get in trouble?
Yeah.
No. 何が楽しかった一番？
それとそれ。
Yeah. That's cool though. That's good. I just saw you. You were playing outside, right?
見て。
What did you get for snack?
I two times.
Yeah, well, what did you eat? Did you have chips?
Oh.
Yeah? In a bag? In a little bag, yeah?
チップスと
Mm-hmm.
crackers.
Yeah, cool. You didn't miss That's a good thing. You had so much fun?
出てた。
忘れてた？お家のこと忘れてた？あ、そうですか。